Hello students, now we are going to discuss about a very interesting topic, that is respiration. Let's start along with the definition. Respiration is a biochemical process by which organic compounds, that means foods, are oxidized to produce chemical energy, is called respiration. Energy is released in a stepwise process during the process of respiration. The released energy is trapped in chemical bond called ATP, that means adenosine triphosphate molecule. All cells require energy to carry out their life processes. ATP is converted into ADP when the cell uses this energy. In this process, in ATP means adenosine triphosphate, there are three inorganic phosphates are attached, and energy stored in the form of bond between third inorganic phosphate attached to the adenosine diphosphate. While we use energy, that time the third inorganic phosphate get break down, and during this process energy liberated or energy released in the form of heat. Hence respiration, it is called as exothermic process. The process of respiration is carried out by respiratory organs. Respiratory organs supply oxygen to all the cells with the help of blood and remove carbon dioxide and water vapor from them. The cells of the body use this oxygen and oxidize food for energy production. There is a summary equation of respiration has given, that is C6H12O6, it is a glucose molecule, plus 6O2, that means oxygen. It converted into 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus 38 ATP molecule formation takes place. Respiration, this is a exothermic process because energy liberated in the form of heat. It is also called as catabolic reaction because glucose molecule is breaking down into carbon dioxide water molecule. Students, as we know that respiration is a multiple enzymatic mediated biochemical process of oxidative breakdown of organic compounds inside living cell, releasing small packets of energy at various steps. So now let's see how respiration process takes place in case of plants. Like other living organisms, plants also exchange gases with their environment. However, plants do not possess any transport system of the gas. Different parts of plants exchange gases independently. The gases move entirely by diffusion process. Respiration is a rapid in meristematic region, that means stem tips, root tips, cambium, floral bud, growing fruits and germinating seeds. It is slower in mature region. So now let's see how respiration process takes place in case of young root. Air occurs in the soil interspaces. Root hair as well as epiblem cells of the young roots are in contact with them. They are also permeable to metabolic gases. Oxygen of soil air diffuses through root hair, then epiblema cell, and then reaches all internal cells of the young root. Carbon dioxide produced by root cell diffuses in opposite direction. In water log condition, soil air becomes deficient. In absence of oxygen, metabolic activity of root decline and plant may wither because there is anaerobic condition created, and in case of anaerobic condition, instead of energy there are alcohol production takes place. Next, how respiration process takes place in older roots and stems. In older root and stems, the surface tissue are impermeable to gases. They have permanently open pores called lenticels or lenticles. Each lenticle contains a mass of loosely arranged complementary cells that enclose a number of intercellular spaces. And during these intercellular spaces, exchange of gases takes place. Then next, how respiration takes place in case of young stem and leaves. Leaves and young stems are ideally suited to quick exchange of gases. The organs have a covering of nearly impermeable epidermis for reducing loss of water. The epidermis bears a number of aerating pores called stomata. Each aerating or stomatal pores is bordered by a pair of guard cells. In most of the plant, the guard cells are kidney or bean shaped with inner walls being thicker and less elastic than the outer walls. Guard cells contain chloroplasts which are absent in the epidermal cells. Opening and closing of stomata are regulated with the help of guard cell. So this was the respiration in plants, and during respiration how gaseous exchange takes place in plants. Now let's see how respiration process takes place in other animals. There are essential respiratory organs responsible for the respiration in animals. Various animals possess different organs for the exchange of gases, except endoparasite such as Chiena, that means tapeworm, Ascaris, etc., which respires anaerobically. Most of the animals respire aerobically. These respiratory organs found in different animals are designed to suit their habitat. Now the next coming some different animals with their respiratory organs. First, how gaseous exchange takes place in case of amoeba. In lower organisms such as protista, sponges, Cnidaria, that means protozoa, hydra, planaria, etc., exchange of gases occurs through the body surface via the cell membrane by simple diffusion process. Now let's see how gaseous exchange takes place in case of animals like earthworm. In case of earthworm, the exchange of gases takes place through their skin or body surface. The skin or general body surface, epidermis, acts as respiratory organ in some animals such as annelids and amphibians that live in semi-aquatic habitat. This type of respiration in which exchange of gases occurs through the skin, it is called as cutaneous respiration. Now let's see how exchange of gases takes place in case of animals like cockroach. In cockroach, the exchange of gases takes place through a trachea or air tubes. Terrestrial arthropods such as insects, millipedes and centipedes have thick impermeable integument to minimize loss of water from their body surface by evaporation. They have evolved a complex system of whitish, shining, intercommunicating air tube called trachea. The exchange of gases with the help of trachea is termed tracheal respiration. Now next, let's see how respiration takes place in case of fishes. In fishes, the exchange of gases takes place through their gills. Aquatic animals such as prawns, mussels, fishes and tadpoles breathe in water. They draw oxygen dissolved in water and release carbon dioxide into water. The organs used for breathing water are called gills. The exchange of gases in the gills is known as bronchial respiration. So, this was the respiration process in different types of animals. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you.